chimney, hands,
Sing it.
you know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, and what's up? Oh gosh, I don't know how I have this much energy. Welcome back to the Williams fam. I hope you guys are having a great day. Your girl is cold. It is freaking cold outside. I got a special guest with me today.
Hey guys.
Yes, it's Arissa. She's playing hooky again from school. We had some errands to do, so she had an appointment, so she had to go to that. And now we are going to go have some lunch. Yeah, so we're having a full-on girls' day.
Again.
I was up till 4 o'clock this morning. Oh, I'm so tired. Yeah, your girl, I look like shit. Yeah, I look like ish right now. I just threw on some clothes because I was just taking her to her appointment, but I wasn't thinking about doing anything more than that and going back home to go sleep. But I decided to say, well, we have this day, might as well use it. I was up till 4 o'clock because I was editing vlogs. So look out for those. Those vlogs will be dropping before this one. So yeah, you definitely get to see those ones. One just dropped today actually, and the next one will drop in maybe 2 days time, and then the other one will drop, I don't know yet, after that. And then maybe this one will drop next. Yeah, so yeah, we decided that we're just gonna take the day, spend the day. She's finished, and well, she finished her appointment early, which was nice. So I was like, okay, well, you know what, let's go have a girls' day. So we're going to go get some lunch, and then we're gonna do a little bit of
Shopping.
yeah, you know what girls' day is all about. Faith is missing out, but you know that's all right. She had a test today, so she could not play hooky with us. So that's the only reason. So yeah, and yeah, everybody is gone to school and work. So yeah, let's get going. Play some tunes, and we are off. Yeah, I don't know what we're having for lunch yet, but yeah, I think I am feeling some Wendy's. So
And it's very close.
Yeah, close to where we are. So let's get some food. Bad intentions. Hey.
So bright.
So I'm gonna play some tunes and intervention.
It's very sunny out.
I've got some bad intentions. Hey, some intentions. Some secrets to mention. So yeah, I guess we will check in.
I can't.
Okay, guys. So much for me getting food. The bloody place that we went to Wendy's, and Wendy's closed. So I guess we're just going shopping on an empty stomach. I can't go shopping on an empty stomach.
Me either.
I'm hungry. I get grumpy when I don't eat. And I'm grumpy when I don't eat, and I'm grumpy when I'm really tired. But I need to get something to eat. Like I didn't get no tea this morning. I left the house and no tea, so that's even 10 times worse. I don't even know why I didn't go through Tim Hortons line, but I can't deal with their French vanilla right now. It's just too sweet. I need actual like tea. But I don't want none of the tea that they have. I want my ginger tea. So unfortunately, I can't get that. I'm just gonna have to settle for something else. But you know what? Your girl is just gonna run into these stores. Let me go see if there's anything in here that I like, and if there is, then I'm gonna get it. If not, then yeah, I'm just gonna be out. So maybe by the time that happens, it will be time for the places to be open, and your girl don't want no McDonald's food. So McDonald's always open, but your girl don't want it. Not in the mood for all these places being closed today. Okay, let's go in there and check that. It's blooming cold out here. Rissa,
Yeah.
hurry up behind me. This girl's hiding behind me. I'm looking for her and can't find her. So yeah, oh my gosh, it scared me. Oh Lord, So yeah, we're looking for. I gotta get some stuff. Hubby's Christmas party's coming up, so I definitely need to look something for that. Yeah, your girl just remembered that she needs a winter jacket.
Mommy, it's a storm mountain.
Yeah, so I guess I am
Different storm mountain.
definitely will be in here shopping because your girl needs a coat ASAP. So, ooh, I like. This is nice. Holy shit. It's nice, but ain't that nice for the price. But they have. Aww. Probably want to come shopping for Christmas. Well, for her birthday. Yeah, I know. So that was an epic fail. Psh, they have the buy one get one free, but they had to close them on sale before, and then they put everything back up to a regular price. You must be crazy.
Let me get out of the road.
I'm not in the road. I was spending my money on that. I will wait till Camarza. I'll wait till they have their other sale. I'll wait till they have their other sale and do that. No, not today. You ain't getting my moolah today. Even clothes they have not in season, and they jack them back up to the regular price. What kind of sale is that? I don't call that a sale. I don't call that a sale.
Mommy, they even sell stuff. It's a buy one get one free, and then
yeah, but the buy one get one free.
So much.
They had like a top that was generally like $20, and then when I seen the tag, it was like $5. But it's not actually $5. They're charging you the regular price, or the ones then they took off the other tags, and then they're charging you an arm and a leg. It doesn't make no sense. It makes no sense. You go and buy it, so it is what it is. They ain't getting my money. I'd rather just let it sit in the bank. That other store was a epic. I guess it's just not working today, so let's go eat. Your girl is starving. I just want to go eat, probably go home, take a nap, and yeah, I got some more business stuff that I need to take care of, so maybe I can get a chance to do that. That is what I'm going. Your girl is about to do. Ooh, no traffic. Let's see if I can get across. Yes, that is what I'm about to do. So yeah, we're just going to go get some food. I am well hungry. Well hungry. Okay. Now, where's the place? Did I turn in the right way? Or I passed it? Oh, it looked like I passed it. I passed it.
Mom.
I passed where I was supposed to go. So, hey guys. Yeah, me and Ursa were home playing hooky all day. We did have lunch. We ended up having some Popeyes. And yeah, we pretty much just came home, chilled. Your girl was just doing some work and stuff towards my my business that I'm launching, so that's what I was doing. I got my labeling and stuff like that came in, so I was doing some work pertaining to that and making sure everything checked out properly. So that is what your girl was doing. So sorry guys, the camera had just died as I was vlogging, and now as you can see, yeah, so this was part of this is one of my lip glosses from my brand. You can see the label, it didn't come out as dark as I wanted. I actually did the label myself, but I guess I need to, yeah, it didn't turn out the way I wanted, so it's a good thing I only tested it on mine. But this thing, yeah, goes on clear. That is just one of the things from my store that's going to be launched. But I think I'll probably be launching everything one time and just done. Everything one time and just done. And I got, so there's six different colors. 6 different colors, and they all, oh, I don't even know what is going on with the lighting right now. I am so sorry. Yeah, so there's 6 different colors and they all go on clear, which is good. I want to make some matte ones as well. And the girl also got lashes coming. So there's a little bit more hint to let you guys know that yes, I do got lashes coming as well. I already have those and my packaging. And yeah, so I got a little bit of things for men and women. So yeah, those I'm looking forward to. So I got not just for the ladies but also for the males. So yeah, me and hubby, and so me and my hubby been working very hard at trying to get this portion of the business done as well. So we just, I know it smells like papaya in here. Oh gosh, it really does smell like papayas in here.
Because we're eating it.
I know, the car smells like real papayas. Like, smell like papaya like no tomorrow. So yeah, my head is looking mad, so I just pretty much tied up. I don't even.
Mommy, Faith forgot her key again, I think.
Faith's always forgetting her key. She's gonna get locked out of the house like how you guys got locked out the other day.
Yeah, and it was so hot.
I'm gonna play some tunes. Okay. Need my shade.
Nothing we have fun. Anything test you, they want to fun. Nobody make you transform. Don't make nobody take you out till you come. Anything you do, you know them watching what you do with your first love.
Yeah, so time to go get paid. Alright, I'll be back when I got Yes guys, my new theme song. So we got paid. And now we're on our way.
I don't like those buttons stick.
These kids freaking out over about
No, those buttons
impossible. It's outside.
It's outside?
Yes.
I'm killing it.
So yeah, I'm on my way to get Memphis now. So you can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing have to flow like a river. Blessings have to flow like a river. Songs to all the wonderful mothers them out there. There's no girl. Mommy, where's my water bottle? Let your bottle go. Baby like me, I'm a singer down. I know everything alright. Pray for me. That's what my son said to me. Yes, mothers are all when the fathers are never there. The mothers are always there. Lord have mercy, I'm coming. What you want, Pitney? Yeah, now we ended the crew, the troublemakers, them are back. Really, Faith? All back together, but the girls gotta look for some.
Mommy!
I know.
What is this, a typewriter?
It's a calculator.
It's
a calculator. Oh Lord.
I want Timbits. I want to go buy Timbits, but I don't want to make.
You want Timbits? You see, you look like Timbit.
I know, I taste good too.
You don't need no Timbits. I'm hungry. You're always hungry.
I know.
You know, just finished school.
No. Yes, I just finished school.
And you missed out with the overcharges and bank fees. Good. Why your face looks so long?
Because my food.
Okay, you're like really black. Kids want to go swimming in the cold.
What?
Huh? With their crazy self, but they want to go swimming.
What did you say?
Saying y'all crazy. Okay, give me that.
I would still want to go swimming even though it's
gosh.
cold. Because inside's warm.
Yeah, but it gets cold outside.
Give me a little bit of that.
My helper here, guys. She's helping me put things together.
This way? Wait, this way?
Yeah. Oh my. So yes, guys. So I'm doing a video shoot so far, and so we got a few of our products in just to do the video shoot. So I got my helper here with me. We are. Yeah, you ain't no help. This one's sitting on our tablet. So
iPad.
we are currently doing a photo shoot.
Playing this
Hold on.
game.
Sorry guys. So we were doing a photo shoot, just showcasing some of the stuff that we've had, that we have for business. So I just wanted to show you. Don't mind me. Your girl look like crazy. Improvise with what we have. As you can see, your girl is just using her bed sheets and improvising. These are, yeah, so this is our little setup. And yeah, we're just displaying some of our products that we have that will be launching, and yeah, some other stuff that we are actually selling. Yay. That's in in there. So, and then we have other stuff actually in these ones too. So this is kind of like our color scheme is pink. So it's pink, gold, white, black, gold, and black. So yeah, so but I love these bags, so I'm using these bags in it. So yeah, so that is what it looks like, guys. Look at this one. Yep, hubby's over there sleeping.
This one? No, not that one. This one?
So you need somebody to help you work. She is great.
But you have to pay me though.
Yes, I have to pay her, guys. Like literally have to be putting money in her bank account, else she's not gonna work for me.
I will work for you, but
that's teaching her independence. Yeah, so I'm teaching her independence. I have no problem paying her for helping me with the shoot because I do need the help.
You cannot shoot.
You deserve any pay. You just sitting there just talking. Look. So this is what she have so far. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Do you want me to? I'll do the if I do the back, I might show a little bit better.
So this is what she it doesn't do it justice though. I don't know why. Maybe because it's not zooming, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Is it? Oh, it's gone.
There.
Okay. Oh, kind of a little bit better. It just looks dark. But yeah, we've been doing the thing. Stay tuned. Like I said, like we've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes and working. Your girl's tired because, of course, I have been up since 4 o'clock. Since 4 o'clock this morning, I haven't gone back to bed, and it's after what, 7 now. Yeah, it's after 7 o'clock. So, and we're just doing some video shoot. So that is what your girl's up to.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. A blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and